This is Rochelle, being a DIY affiliate on YouTube. And for the people who don't know me, I do step-by-step video tutorials that will show you the quickest, easiest, and most cost-efficient ways to create and run your business online. Whether it be for YouTube videos, WordPress websites, or affiliate marketing for beginners. No computer, no problem. Your cell phone, it's just like having a mini computer in your back pocket. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can add, change, or remove your YouTube introductory channel trailer using only your cell phone and Chrome. Look for your Chrome. Once you are at your Chrome, go to your own YouTube channel. Make sure that these three dots at the top you have chosen. Scroll down till you get to the desktop site. Here you will see Customize Channel, Manage Videos. Choose Customize Channel. Here you will find under the layout your channel trailer. Tap on the top right hand of the edit box and you will see change video or remove video. If you change your video, you will see a pop-up box and you can very easily choose a video and it will then appear as your channel trailer. You will then click publish. To remove your channel trailer, you just click on remove video, add your video that you created for your channel trailer and choose publish, and now you can view your channel. So you will now see your video that you created for your channel trailer. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick videos that I will be posting. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening.